About this item: V-Tinvan XRT140 remote control for VIZIO D series, M series, P series, V series LED smart TV with channel number keypad and 6 app keys. No programming or pairing is required. Easy to operate and use. Just insert new batteries to GT it work. Power supply, 2x 1.5V AAA alkaline battery. Batteries and manual are not included. No Bluetooth function. No voice functions. Fit for VIZIO SmartCast TV, D43FX F4D65X G4D43 F1D50 F1D55 F2D60 F3D65 F1D70 F3D55 X G1D32H F0M55 F0M65 F0M70 F3D24 FF1D32 FF1D39 FF1D39 FF0D40 FF1D43 FF1D43 FF2D48 FF0D50 FF1D24 HG9D32 HG9D40 FG9D50 XG9V405 G9V505 G9V655 G9D32 HF1D24 FF1D32 FF1D24 HG9D40 FG9D50 XG9V505 G9PQ65 F1E43 F1E50 F2E65 F0E70 F3E75 F1